Hey Phil, so this is your Facebook page. I wasn't able to find a website for you, but looked like you service the Athens area. I also checked out Huntsville too, so I pulled up both these guys. This is the Huntsville guy. You'll see his website doesn't have too much content. The more content, the better. Google loves content. You want to make sure you have keywords in there as well, as the more content you have, the better. Let's see what this guy saves his images as. He doesn't save them right. You'd want this to be a keyword that you're trying to rank for. So it's a missed opportunity by him. Let's see what the competitor, this other guy in Huntsville does, or Athens, sorry. He's got more content. He's got 456 words, but still not all that much. So I would, 1,000 should be fine, but you could do 1,000, 1,500, whatever you want. The more the better. Google loves content. It'll help you just rank. Let's check out what this guy's images are saved as. He doesn't save them right either, so they both are missing opportunities with that. This is the Athens guy. He's got a bunch of backlinks, and he's got pretty good URDR scores. I mean, it could be better, but it's not terrible. But you could come in here and grab the backlinks that he has that you like. Not all backlinks are created equal. You want high UR, high DR scores. You don't want the spammy, low number ones, like this 4, you won't want that. But you just, so you go after the higher ones, as well as you would want it to be relevant to your industry. You won't want something, you won't want fast food linking back to you when you're when you're in the flooring industry. We can come down here and find something that he's got that we like. This guy's got a lot of no follows. Yeah, let's see. Let's say this is a better UR score. So let's see how he got it. But if it had a better UR score, we could go after it. 9, you could go after it if you wanted. He must, yeah, he's got an advertisement, so he's just a sponsor right there. So that's how he got that. Yeah, you could go to your competition. This guy's got 993. You could do the same thing here. Grab the ones he's got. He's got worse DR and UR. So he might not have the best backlinks, but you could go out and find other ones that had better ones, and copy all the good ones that they got and figure out how to get them. Then you could go to Google and find other ones that you like. Ways you can get them are guest posts, blogs, blog commenting, sponsors, news articles, basically anything that'll link back to you. But again, you want to make sure it's not spammy and it's relevant to your industry. Let's check out the keywords this guy's ranking for. Let's type in Athens. And you'll see flooring, Athens, Alabama. 40 people searched that a month. 0 KD, very easy to rank for. Athens custom flooring, 20 volume, 0 KD, another super easy one to rank for. So that's 60 right there. And you can expect to get probably 20. Oh, yeah, he's not for number 1 here. But yeah, you get about a third of the traffic. Athens flooring, 60 people searched that, 6 KD. That's a little harder, but still not that hard. You can grab this gallery one if you wanted. I don't know if you want it though or not. Yeah, then you'll see it kind of just goes off carpet clean. Yeah, you're probably not doing carpet cleaning. But yeah, it kind of falls off with keywords. But the top ones are not too bad. But we could also go check this guy's out and grab the ones that we like here. See hardwood flooring, Huntsville, Alabama, 90, 10 KD. That's harder, but not too bad. 10's not all that hard to get. Wood flooring, Huntsville, Alabama, 20 and 7. Huntsville flooring, that's 28, so that's a lot harder to get, but it just takes longer. But you can still get that one. You just find the ones you like. Ceramic tiles, 20 and 0. Find the one you like, or all the ones you like. Put them in your on your page, either with images or in your content organically, and then you can start ranking for those. The next thing would be the GMB. If you don't have one, set one up. It's free to do. I want to make sure you set it up 100%. And then for content with GMBs, it's photos. So the more photos you have, the better. You want to have keywords in the photos as well. And then you want to get citations. Citations are just directories. You'd want to have the name the same as the GMB, the phone number the same, and the location the same. And then you can get a citation from that. Directories are like Yellow Pages, Yelp, BBB. There's a whole bunch of other ones out there. Facebook can get you one. Basically anything that will have your name, phone number, and location, get you a citation. There's tons of them out there. It's something you can do. It's just time consuming. But hopefully that helps. If you want, we can set up a phone call or video call and talk more. If not, thanks for watching and have a good rest of your day.